So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge gorgeous looks in this video. We are diving into Princess Carole Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful, healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updored scats, hair always looks effortlessly chic. But what's behind her hair secrets? We are exploring her favorite hairstyle, hair care, routine and product must have to help you recreate her royal looks at home. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, Style Cat's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Carole Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Carole Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge gorgeous look. In this video we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updored scat hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, Cat's hair is a perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Carole Middleton beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Cat's morning and nighttime hair routine, hair favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Cat's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step-by-step guide to achieving Cat's signature, tips for adding volume and texture, how to finish with a sleek polished look, Cat's more stunning updoor looks, tips for creating her elegant style, how to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration, Cat's iconic wedding day hairstyle, tips for achieving a romantic effortless look, how to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair, Cat's most memorable red carpet hairstyle, tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair, how to make a statement with hairstyle, everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Cat casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair, how to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Carole Middleton. Princess Carole top tips of healthy beautiful hair, how to overcome common hair struggles, tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So if you want to know about more of Carole Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.